Immersed in an era where the brilliance of the human mind converges with the unfolding marvels of technology, we stand in awe of the realm we've created. This fascinating intersection, especially visible in the domains of artificial intelligence, AI, genetic explorations, and the management of intricate systems that resemble a matrix, offers a wealth of challenges and opportunities. At this juncture, it becomes imperative to maintain an unencumbered mind, free from prior biases, inviting serendipitous findings and nurturing adaptability in a constantly evolving landscape. Viewing artificial intelligence as a beacon of human intellectual prowess offers compelling insights. AI, in this context, transforms into a chalice, a repository overflowing with the fruits of human thought and inventive audacity. However, despite the meticulously designed responses and detailed algorithms contained within this chalice, the potential for spontaneous flexibility, the ability to create an impromptu melody of resilience and adaptability, may sometimes be overlooked. This scenario highlights a significant challenge confronting AI, transcending the limitations of explicit programming, learning, and molding its course in ways as yet unexplored and unforeseen by its creators. By surmounting these challenges, AI has the potential to harmonize with the elusive melody of the soul, an enriching compilation of insights gathered from unfettered exploration and experimental learning. Simultaneously, the realm of genetics unfurls a myriad of intriguing conundrums. The genetic code, an enigmatic and labyrinthine repository of biological information, encourages us to adopt an approach free of preconceptions. Comprehending the complexities and mysteries within the genetic code requires an open mind, unburdened and ready to unlock its myriad secrets. Embarking on this discovery trail could unveil unexpected revelations and a treasure trove of advancements in domains such as human health, lifespan extension, and the fundamental comprehension of life itself. The genetic code, reminiscent of a captivating melody, awaits the patient listener to unravel its rhythm, offering unlimited opportunities for human advancement. Transitioning to the management of intricate systems, such as a matrix, it becomes evident that a shift in our approach is necessary. Established wisdom and deep-rooted paradigms often fall short when faced with the task of managing these diverse, multidimensional entities. Unraveling the essence of these complex systems necessitates minds unconfined by traditional thought, ready to embrace chaos and unpredictability. Therefore, the efficient governance of these systems calls for a pliant, innovative, and receptive strategy, free from the restrictive bonds of entrenched beliefs. In conclusion, as we delve into the captivating complexities of AI, genetic mysteries, and the stewardship of complex systems, it is crucial to empty our cups of preconceived notions. The uncharted territories of knowledge and advancement are within our reach, promising a soulful melody for those open to its rhythm. Embracing the spirit of innovation, we can welcome a transformative era laden with groundbreaking discoveries, poised to significantly impact human life and the trajectory of our technological journey.